You're listening to IDEO Software's Digitalization Network, a podcast created for those who are IT passionate and want to know all about the latest technology trends and innovative solutions. Join us on this fascinating journey through the world of digital transformation. The reality of omni-commerce requires flexibility in the approach to business. Companies must be ready to adapt to changing trends and customer needs across different sales channels. Retail has always reflected changing consumer preferences and behavior. However, recent years have brought remarkably rapid change, influenced by technological innovation and socio-cultural shifts. While e-commerce has gained strength, traditional retail models have had to adapt. Stationary stores faced the challenge of attracting customers who increasingly turn to the convenience of online shopping. The concept of omni-commerce is born precisely in this context, to unite online and offline shopping experiences, adapting to the rapidly changing needs of consumers. Omni-commerce, also known as ubiquitous commerce, is not just another term in the business dictionary. It is a revolutionary concept that transcends the traditional divisions between sales channels, combining them into a cohesive shopping experience full of possibilities. Under omni-commerce, the boundary between stationary and virtual stores blurs in favor of a seamless transition between the two. Customers can mix their interactions with the brand freely, from browsing products online to visiting physical stores or picking up orders from selected locations. The COVID-19 pandemic has significantly impacted the development of e-commerce and its derivatives. According to the eISB report, Omni-Commerce Buys Conveniently 2023, several factors have changed. Consumers are optimistic about the changes that have taken place in e-commerce after the pandemic. Modern shopping solutions have been implemented, customer contact has been improved, and various innovations have been introduced in financing purchases and deliveries. Examples of such solutions include e-services at Social Security or teleportation. Online promotions are doing well during economic slowdowns and price increases. This is one of the main reasons why consumers make their purchases online. The customer migration rate between different channels and e-tailers in the buying process has increased significantly. This means customers are more likely to compare offers and prices before purchasing. With the development of omni-commerce, customers can access multiple shopping channels, which has complicated the purchase decision process. This phenomenon is one of the effects of the increasing integration of different sales channels and the increase in the availability of information, which affects the complexity of the purchase path. In 2023, in response to rising inflation, 1/3 of respondents began to buy online, and 1 in 3 respondents began to shop more frequently in e-commerce, suggested by increasing prices in traditional stationary stores. Omni-commerce emphasizes personalization. By analyzing data and using technologies such as artificial intelligence, stores can create personalized offers and content tailored to individual customer preferences. This allows for higher levels of engagement and greater customer loyalty by providing them with products and promotions that match their interests. In omni-commerce, the line between online and offline shopping is disappearing. Customers can start browsing the assortment on the website, continue in the stationary store, and complete their transactions. In this approach, customers have access to a variety of payment methods. They can pay online using credit cards, digital wallets, or mobile payment systems, and pay by cash or card in the stationary store. They can also pay using loyalty points they have collected. For the customer, the payment method must be consistent and accessible, whether they make an online or offline purchase. Omni-commerce offers a variety of delivery options, allowing customers to choose the most convenient one. This can include home delivery, pick-up at a stationary store, pick-up points, express delivery, or even couriers delivering products timed conveniently. These delivery methods must be flexible and consistent, regardless of the shopping channel. A crucial aspect of omni-commerce is to preserve consistency in communication across different channels. It does not matter if customers are browsing a product online or in a physical store. They should receive uniform information, offers, and messages. In a rapidly changing retail environment, preparing for the future is critical to staying competitive and meeting customer expectations. Here are 3 key steps you can take to prepare. Investing in modern technology is fundamental to omni-commerce. Process automation, artificial intelligence, data analytics, warehouse and payment management systems are only some areas where technology can significantly improve efficiency and customer experience. Adapting to the latest technology trends will allow you to understand your customers better, optimize your processes, and respond quickly to changing market needs. Staff training. The omni-commerce introduction involves a certain degree of change in business processes. Therefore, staff must be appropriately trained and able to handle a variety of sales channels and use new tools and systems. Training in customer service, technology support, and understanding the essential tenets of omni-commerce is critical to maintaining quality customer service and smooth processes. Thorough data analysis and market research allow for a better understanding of customer preferences, purchasing trends, and changing competition. This enables you to tailor your offerings, create personalized marketing campaigns, and make fact-based decisions. Knowledge of the data allows you to make more accurate forecasts and take informed business actions. Creation of a place where online and offline customer information will be collected and appropriately combined at points of contact. This will enable the CRO to verify information in one place. For example, when a customer calls once about an order,